There's a baby in the bath. Where did these babies come from? Oh my goodness, this one has got a birthday cake on his head. That might be his cake smash birthday cake. It's all over his face and his head. These babies are crazy. Oh, they're really crazy. Welcome to LEV Toys. We obviously have got lots of babies here today. In fact, there are a whole load more babysitters bathtubs to open up, and I am not looking after these babies on my own. So I'm going to bring in... Oh my goodness. I'm going to bring in some helpers because I cannot look after them all. Right, these girls are going to be the best babysitters ever. They are the best furry friends dolls, the Bestie pack. So the dolls come with their little Bestie BFF little furry friends. This one's Angelina and Stardust, and she's got these beautiful rainbow streaks down her hair. Let's get this pack open and we'll check it out. Angelina loves to sing and dance and perform with her adorbs BFFs. There's over 60 to collect. Well, we'll just see what's in these packs today. And I am seeing a lot of sparkles. There is the most pretty little sparkly glittery handbag, and the Pegacorn Stardust is also sprinkled with stardust. She is as glittery and rainbowy as she can be, and she fits perfectly into the sparkly handbag. In fact, now that she's in here, I can't tell where the sparkles begin and where they end. It's so cute. Oh, look, kitty ears. And we'll put them on Angelina in a moment. We've got to get her out of this packaging. So let me see. She is tied in. Oh, beautiful hair. I think I might need to employ the scissors to get her out of here.
I'm free! I'm free!
Can you come back? I need your help.
What do you need my help with?
Well, all these babies, but let's check you out first because look at these long, beautiful, luscious locks, and they have got pastel rainbows through them. She's got the most gorgeous streaks. Oh, Angelina, you are lovely. Now, let's put her kitty ears on so that she's ready to go out and go babysitting. They look really cute. We're going to be able to change them around on all the dolls. We can have so much fun. And her skirt. Now let's see. It's held here by kind of a button, and it's on with stretchy plastic. I don't know whether I should be taking this off. Hold on. Well, it's off now. I don't know whether that was the best choice. That's not going back on again, is it? That's really not going to go back on again. Maybe if I shove it really hard. So, it's kind of on. Her shoes are definitely designed to come on and off. And she's got sparkly leggings and cute little toesy woesies. So we can take her shoes on and off. I'd suggest you just leave her skirt alone. Oh, look at that. Her skirt's falling off completely. I think I'm going to go and need to employ some desperate measures to put that back on. Okay, hold on. Okay, I've fixed that now. I've fixed it forever. Now she can hold her handbag on her little upturned hand there, and she can go out shopping or she can go out babysitting because that's what she needs to do. And she comes with another bag like her baggage to take on a plane. And in here, oh look at that, she can roll it along behind her. That's really cool. In here is a hidden BFF. So let's see. Oh, I can't tear that. I don't know why I think I can. Let's see what's in here. Who's in here? It's the little zebra. Oh, it's a little zebra. So the zebra is going in her baggage. I'm glad there are some air holes, and I don't think that strictly quarantine's going to let you through there, but we'll give it a try. But you need to come back because I've got babies that you need to look after. They are just, well, they're babies. They're slightly crazy when they're not sleeping and screaming. So this one is now trying to fit into the bag, and while they're doing that, let's open up Cassandra, she is very sporty. She's totes competitive, and she loves gymnastics, rowing, and #first place. And she comes with Dash, the ginger cat. Here she comes. She is so bendy. Check her out. She doesn't even want to stand upright. She just wants to stay in the splits. And she's got super long brown hair too. And yeah, we're not going to make the same mistake and try and take that skirt off. Lesson learned, experiment done. But her shoes are cute little sneakers. And she's got a sporty visor. Let's see if we can put that sun visor on. That's really cute. It's got a BFF on the front too. It's got a split in the back, so we can put that on her head. Protect her very precious skin from the sun. There we are. She's ready. She's ready to go out. She looks like she's ready to go out and play tennis. play gymnastics or play gymnastics, do gymnastics. Oh, but here's Ginger, her little kitty, also covered in sparkles. Oh, so many sparkles. And a watermelon sparkly handbag to carry that kitty around in. Well, no competitive sports for you at the moment, Cassandra, because I actually need you to do some babysitting. It's babysitting time. You can earn a bit of pocket money. You can go out and spend it on new gymnastics gear. But let's see who she has got in her baggage. I can't breathe in there. So let's let this little BFF out of the package. Oh, it's the little white lion. Oh, so adorable. Totally adorbs. Absolutely totes adorbs, and very, very cute and very, very lovely. Oh, now you can actually help the babies too. You can help babysit. And if Cassandra can stand up straight, she might be able to do something. Let's look at Zoe. Hiya, Zoe. Hiya. I love to read and learn about all the latest tech, just like my BFF, Zara the Sloth. Hashtag Geek Chick. All right, Zara and Zoe and Zara. Oh, she's already decked out. She's a bit bendy too. Let's see if she's ready to go babysitting. She almost is. She just needs her glasses. Otherwise she can't see a thing, and those babies could get up to so much mischief. I love how the glasses actually fit perfectly over her ears, so they're going to stay on nice and snugly. That is geek chic. That's really cute. Oh, and this little Zara the Sloth is so cute too. Let's see who's in here. Let me see who's hiding in the bag. Come out. It's a little white lamb. Little white lammy. Oh, you can help babysit too. You could, I don't know, maybe bar at the babies till they go to sheep. Till they go to sleep. Would that work? All right.
Oh, all these babies are stuck in bathtubs. I suppose we better let them out if we're going to babysit them. Which one should we choose first? How about this one? Try not to top. Oh, no, hold on. I think they're all this one. We'll choose this one first. This one, guys.
Thanks, Zoe. All right, Baby Secrets Series 2. Let's see what cuties we have got in these pink bathtubs. Oh, okay, here we've got our guide. So we want the other side. We want the single packs. Oh, aren't they adorable? Oh, look, here is the birthday cake baby, ultra rare. Wow.
I always knew I was really special. Happy birthday to me.
And Sporty Girl is rare.
Yep, also special. That's me, special. Yep. I'm special and rare.
And look, they've got the cutest little birth certificates, which are all look cute, certified. So who's our first baby? Oh, so cute. We don't know whether this baby is a boy or a girl yet, but in a little jester outfit or maybe maybe jammies with like a sleepy cap. Very cute. I love the little lick of brown hair. You're also rare. Oh, all babies are rare and miraculous. Thank you, Zoe, for the bathtub. We've filled it up with water, and Angelina is going to... Oh, careful. No, don't get the heads under... Oh, no, you've dropped the baby in. Oh, the baby's all right. Now, let's see whether the baby is a boy or a girl. It's hard to tell yet. It looks like it might be a boy. Definitely a little blue nappy. Angelina's going to look after that one while we open the next one. Oh, my goodness. These are adorable. Little snowman baby. Check out those eyebrows. Oh, the little snowman is also rare. Whoa, this is exciting. Let's see if we can keep their heads above the water this time. All right, Cassandra, see if you can just hold the baby up. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's really good. Now, oh, we've got a girl. She's a girl. Oh, I'm so glad I've got you girls to look after these babies because we're zooming through them. Oh my goodness. This baby is, oh wow, this baby's got a little donut floaty and so sad though. How can you be sad with a donut floaty? Oh, this one's a common little one. Oh, but so sad. Let's see if a nice warm donkey bath will make her look. I think that's a little, oh no, it's a boy. It's a blue nappy. Oh, baby, here. Look, Zoe will look after you.
Oh, baby, don't cry. Here, look, I'll rock out my baby. Oh, no, they're my glasses. No, baby. No, my glasses. Oh, my glasses, I can't see anything.
Oh, poor Zoe. I hope she catches up with that baby. I told you I was going to need help with these babies. Oh, look at this cutie pie. This one's a little kitty. Oh, look at her whiskers and her little mittens. Maybe she's one of the kittens who's lost her mittens but not lost them. And maybe she's a he or a she. I keep calling her a her because she just seems like a her. What do you think? Let's see. Not a her. It's a little boy kitten. Oh, there goes that baby with the glasses. Oh, and she's just knocked the kitty in.
Oh my goodness, come back, baby. I can't see without my glasses.
Oh, don't worry, Zoe. I think the kitty baby is bringing you your glasses.
Oh, sweetest kitty baby.
Wowzers, these babies are proving to be a handful. Let's see who's in here. Oh, this one can't possibly be a handful. This one's an angel baby. Oh, I hope he or she actually is an angel baby. It's not a devil baby in disguise. Let's see. Ready? All babies are angels. We ready? Oh, is it cold? I'm sorry if it's cold. I think no, she's not a girl. Why do I keep thinking that looks pink? That's blue. That's definitely blue. And Cassandra can look after the angel baby, though I think Zoe might need a break. Oh, no, not another one of these babies. The first one was just crazy enough. I don't think we need twins. Oh, no. Let's see if this one is... Oh, yes, it's a boy. It's twin boys. Oh, I smell trouble.
Glasses! My glasses!
Okay, I'm so sorry, Zoe. You seem to have them. Oh, no! You gotta be kidding me. Oh, who's gonna warn Zoe? Who's gonna tell Zoe that there is a triplet? Oh my goodness, is this one a boy too? No, this one's a little girl. Is that going to make any difference?
Glasses! Give me the glasses!
Oh my goodness, please tell me we're not going to make it quadruplets. I don't think Zoe will manage. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? There's a Cookie Swirl C baby secrets baby. Look, there are all these cookies on the pan and got Cookie Swirl C written on the bib, so there's no mistaking. And this baby has eaten all the cookies. Look at the crumbs on there. Wow, ultra rare. I can't believe that this baby even exists. Oh my goodness. All right, let's find out whether the cookie baby is a boy or a girl. Definitely got some water in those cookies. Looks like Cookie's baby is a boy. And I hope Cookie Baby is going to share those cookies. Let's put him over here and see who else we have got. I'm just afraid we're going to find... Oh no, this one's a happy one. I'm not afraid about this one. The little kitty babies are beautiful. I just adore their whiskers. I wonder if we're going to have boys. Let's see. 2 boys or a boy and a girl. Oh, you know, cats don't really like water, but these babies seem to like it, I think. I think we've got another boy. Twin boy kitties. So cute. Okay, who's next? Oh, it's a basketball baby. A basketball baby with little blue booties. Does that mean, if we're stereotyping here, that this is going to be a boy basketball baby? Well, let's see. Let me see. He or she is running around in the bathtub, and we've got... Oh, hold on, don't lick the water. It's a girl. It's a girl basketball baby. Oh, she's just so cute. Can you hop out of the water now? Because you can hop over here, and we'll see who's in here. Who's in this one? Look, oh, it almost looks a bit like the crying baby. Same hair, but this one's a hairdresser baby. Oh, I don't think we should be putting her or him in the water with a hairdryer. It's not a real hairdryer, but that would be very dangerous if it was a real hairdryer in the water in the bathtub. It's a big no. Look, it's a boy. He's a boy. We can stop calling it an it now that we know that he's a boy. And he's coming over here to see if Cookie Baby wants to share his cookies. Maybe you could exchange a haircut for some cookies. That might work. It's always nice to have a... Oh, just the most adorable one is little Strawberry. She looks like a girl, but you can just never tell with babies. Strawberry baby is common, which is really cool because I would love to get a whole box of strawberry babies. Whee! Let me see. It's Strawberry Baby. Strawberry Baby is a boy. Oh, Strawberry Baby boy. There we go. I think Angelina's getting the easy baby still. I wonder how Zoe's going. Haven't heard in from her for a while. We have got a cave baby. Oh, look, there's a little bone on his or her. Oh, booga, 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 booga. Oh, he's very... Oh, I think might be a he or she. It's going to be one of them. I can already see the pink. Oh, it's a girl. Okay, stop chewing on the edge of the bathtub. It's a girl cave baby. Yeah, Cassandra, you look after the... Right, it seems like Cave Baby is a bit of a handful too. Who have we got next? I'm a little afraid. Oh, look, a pineapple baby. A pineapple baby's bound to be beautiful. Oh, so adorable. I love the fruit babies. Look, strawberry baby, pineapple baby. We've got fruit salads if we put them in the bathtub together. Let's make a fruit salad. But let's find out. Oh, hold on. Let's find out whether this little pineapple baby. Oh, she's very excited. The strawberry baby is very excited. She's a girl. Now we can have fruit salad. Fruit salad babies. Oh, who have we got now? Oh, look, this is the limited edition baby. Oh, it's a little furry lamb. Got a furry little hat. Look at that. Limited edition furry. Wow, that is so exciting. Okay, let's see whether Mary's little lamb here is a boy or a girl. In you go. In you go, it's bath time. Into the sheep dip. And we've got a boy. It's a little boy lamb. Oh, where are you going to go and sit? Who's going to look after you? I think Angelina's going to look after. Her name's not Mary, but Angelina can definitely look after babies. Oh, the lamb. I think they're bonding so beautifully. Rightio, let me see. Oh, hairdresser baby twins. Oh, that's just adorable. Where's your little twinny? Hello, twinny. You're down here somewhere. Here we go. I think might have been eating all the cookies. All right, let me see. Have we got two boys or a boy and a girl? Oh, can you stop jumping up and down? Oh, we do. The new baby is a girl. So we've got a girl hairdresser baby and they can brush each other's hair or comb each other's hair. They're in charge of all the baby's hairstyles.
Oh, wow, so many babies. I just remembered I have a gymnastics competition. Yep, bye.
Hold on, Cassandra. You're supposed to be helping.
Glasses! Give me the glasses! Give me the... No, my glasses! Glasses! Whoa, did anybody get the number of the bus that just hit me?
Oh, poor Zoe. Babysitting can be absolutely brutal. The kitty babies are off to retrieve her glasses though, so all is not lost. And I'll go and help them. But while I do that, make sure you subscribe and click the little notification bell. Check out some of my other videos and... I wonder what those babies are doing. I'll see you really soon. Bye.